Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Premium. This powerful subscription truly elevates your trading experience with exclusive features designed for serious market participants. You will discover how to leverage its full potential, from advanced charting to comprehensive data analysis. We will explore the unique benefits that set Premium apart, helping you make more informed decisions and optimize your trading strategies effectively. TradingView Premium empowers you with unparalleled charting flexibility. You can apply up to 25 indicators on a single chart, providing a comprehensive view of market dynamics. Furthermore, custom timeframes, including second-based intervals, allow for precise analysis tailored to your strategy. This level of detail is crucial for identifying subtle trends and making timely trading decisions with confidence. With Premium, you gain access to real-time data from global exchanges, ensuring you always have the most current information. You can also set an impressive 200 server-side alerts, which continuously monitor market conditions for you. These alerts notify you instantly of critical price movements or indicator crossovers, even when you are offline. This ensures you never miss a crucial trading opportunity. TradingView Premium enhances your workspace by allowing you to display 8 charts simultaneously across multiple monitors, perfect for comprehensive market surveillance. Should you ever need assistance, Priority Customer Support ensures your queries are addressed quickly and efficiently. Plus, an entirely ad-free interface provides an uninterrupted and focused environment, allowing you to concentrate solely on your analysis and trading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.